hold Warsaw forever, you Nazi! Rise up, defenders of Poland! It's time to overthrow the Nazis! We, the Soviet Red Army, approach! Your liberation is at... It's a scam! Total propaganda! Maybe they'll really...
It doesn't matter, bros. The Germans are on the run, yes? But they will destroy the city before they abandon it.
If the Soviets get here first...
We could lose the city to them and that communist puppets. It's now or never. We, the super secret underground Polish army, must act now or lose the city. For Poland. For Poland! Onwards! Surprise is our advantage! We will show those Nazis a blitzkrieg! Poland style! Wait, what's a blitzkrieg? Rapid, overwhelming surprise attack!
Shouldn't it involve a combined force?
Yeah, like artillery, air assault, ground, less detail, more blitzkrieg!
The Polish are coming! The Polish are coming! Ah!
Charge!
You think you can win this? The Third Reich is eternal! The Third Reich is your forever girl!
We have the garrison in the surrounding area. Good! Continue the blitzkrieg! More blitzkrieg before they regroup!
If we don't get their supplies...
We'll blitzkrieg their supplies! Have we heard anything from the Soviets? First, Warsaw, then Berlin.
Nazi fast, you red tanky!
Damn you and your fascist puns! Comrade Secretary General Stalin, we must pull back, but we may not get to Warsaw in time to help the... Hey, it's the journey that matters, comrade, not the hour of our arrival. But we are winning, Poland bros! Next, we take the government building here, but our supplies are dwindling. We attack the transport hubs as well. Look, you lead the force.
Soon Warsaw will be Poland again.
We have reinforcements on the way, and with the rebel supplies dwindling, our artillery will...
Poland smash! You want Warsaw? Here, enjoy! There! Look, what happened? Transportation hubs! Too fortified! Nazis! Counterattack! Rest! We'll take care of... Damn it! Those flaky Soviets!
No, they're coming! I know the Red Army will help us.
Go, my friend. Free now, to the great pierogi in the sky. What do we do without more supplies? I'm going to use... call a friend.
Man, this landing was pretty intense. Indeed, old boy. But things seem to be moving relatively... Hello? Oh, Poland, old boy. How's the...
Poland! What's up, bro? What's up?
Wait, what? And the Soviets haven't... What's wrong? No, don't worry. We'll send you some care packages. You can count on us. Just hold on a bit longer. Poland is in dire straits. The uprising in Warsaw is running out of supplies. There's no time. It'll take us forever to fly in, unless Stalin lets us use a Soviet airfield.
100,005, 100,006, 100,007? Oh, damn it! Lost count again. Do this.
Listen, Charlie, things are hot for Poland and Warsaw.
Oh, hello, allied friendos.
Poland's running out of supplies, man. We need your airfields to...
No capitalists on Soviet airfields. Besides, Poland didn't even wait for us to start the party.
But Soviet radio told them to go for it, old boy.
They still could have included me. Sorry. Had to give a Nazi a nap. But yeah, that's still a no for me. Hey,
seriously?
The best I can do is let you fly in supplies through my airspace. But from somewhere else.
I guess that's...
Oh, it's gotta go.
That guy is seriously annoying. This is gonna take way longer than it needs to.
Oh, God damn it! Where are those care packages? The damn Soviets aren't coming! The damn UK and US aren't coming either! Wait, do you hear?
Hey, Poland bro! Check it out! We got your... oops.
You know, all this fighting is making me hungry. Thank you, America!
Watch it, America! Those are for Poland, not...
I know! God!
Okay, here's one for you, Poland!
Thanks, America, but you're a bit late!
Hey, man! Not our fault! The Soviets wouldn't let us use their airfields! We had to fly all the way from Italy! Buongiorno! I'm not the bad guy no more!
Fine, whatever! Just try to at least drop the care packages in our territory and not in Nazi-controlled zones!
Yeah! Sorry about that, buddy! Anyways, it's getting pretty hot up here, so... Mamma mia! That's a spicy meatball! Time to fly the cube, ho, chaps! See you later, Poland! And good luck!
Sir, the Nazis are amassing for an all-out attack! We can't hold... Gather the care packages! Let's get back to our secret underground hideout! Oh, nothing like a little sun down by the...
Comrade Stalin! It looks like the Polish rebels are in trouble! Are we going to...
Well, we don't really have enough supplies to attack right now, but the Nazis are rounding up all the civilians. Oh, do not worry, my friend. We will bring the hot flame of Soviet justice to Nazis soon. Very soon. This is it, old friend.
Indeed, brother.
We're trapped. I'll have to surrender. They are slaughtering civilians. I told you those Soviets weren't coming. Jerks. Oh. I surrender. Why? Why didn't the Soviets help us?
Looks like we're not the only ones who use propaganda.
Sir, the Polish resistance in Warsaw is mostly dead. They're moving everyone to the camps. And you interrupt my tank shining to tell me this because why? I don't know. Because it might be a good time to attack. The city will be virtually undefended. Big Daddy Stalin says, attack! Our home. Don't worry, old woman. We will survive. We survived the Mongols. We survived the partitions. But this horror. We will persevere. We are more than the buildings of our cities and the borders of our country. Then what are we? We are Poland.
Boss!